What's up, Kevin? We've got a visitor here, and then I was telling Ivan, to me it's a Japanese Toyota Camry. Yeah. But let's go check it out.
Go check it out. Well, what's here on the floor?
All the bars that came back from powder coat today, I'm putting all of the customer names on them so that they get shipped accordingly, and we don't make any mistakes.
Does he know we're vlogging?
No.
What up? My name's Kaya.
I've known him for a very long time. But I actually know him through his dad though. His dad does some pretty cool stuff.
What do you think about this big body?
I like it. Look at that trunk.
Yeah, it do hurt.
It's a big trunk.
That's a big trunk. You could put a couple dead bodies in California. I don't think the cops would think anything of this car. Like, it looks like a regular Toyota.
Would you ever build a car for a street faction 4-door?
Yeah, I would. Well, I had a Y33 before.
What was it like? How long ago was it? A couple of years ago?
A few years ago. Yeah, right before I got the Model S. That was the daily. After the S13.
Yeah. What do you think about the wheels?
I like them. I've actually never seen Kanseis in person, so this is the first time I've seen them. But they look pretty clean. Powder coating looks really nice. And I've heard that they're actually pretty light, so
yeah.
Not sure yet.
Didn't they message you? I think they messaged you on Instagram.
Yeah, they did. They wanted to work with us, but I don't have any cool cars yet, so.
The next day.
What's up, Matt?
What's up, Kevin?
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go visit a friend.
Yeah, it's so dark. Hold on, let me make it brighter. There you go.
Like, why does street fashion never turn on the lights?
I can see you now. What are we doing?
Acting natural.
Alright, Matt, where are we going?
We're gonna go visit a friend today.
What's his name?
His name is Josh.
Josh.
But you may know him as Eon.
Yeah. We got Steven in the house today. He looks pretty tired.
This is the earliest he's woken up in what? Forever?
About a month.
About a month.
Yeah.
But I mean, you do stay up working till 5 in the morning?
Yeah, every night.
And then you wake up at 2 in the afternoon?
No, like 12-ish.
Wow, that's so early. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's bounce. Now we're gonna be taking Matt's Tesla. It's a 2JZ quad turbo,
super fast
stroker motor.
Uses only diesel. And look, we get a little, what is it called when somebody drives us? An escort. Yeah, we got a little escort.
He wears chanclas.
Look at him. There we go. Right.
Jeez.
This is a secret location. What do you think, Matt?
I like it. It's like an adult playground.
An adult playground.
There's so much space.
There's 1, 2, 3,
so much room for activities.
Alright guys, since they're talking over there, I'm gonna give you a little tour of the Eot's house. I mean, not the house, but I mean the cars that has it on here. This is a nice looking JZX 100. When you guys watch these channels, you guys know what this one is.
Man, I don't want to put a new battery. And see, it's an Optima battery.
Oh yeah, I got you. So it only holds
Optimas, so. But it needs a new battery, for sure.
Josh's RX-7. And today we're gonna be taking Josh's S15. Matt is gonna be doing door cards. I think front bash bars, rear bash bars, the rear city lead 180SX. This one's pretty clean. And that's his brother's, and then I think this is Josh's Corolla. I'm just gonna show you guys a little of the car. Since he's new to the channel, I'm just gonna give a little update on his car. Looks pretty sweet. In the comments below, let us know which ones you guys choose. Since you guys watch this channel, I'm pretty sure a lot of people watch this channel. The RX-7, the 180, the famous Supra, nice 15 with the 2J. That's his wife's R34, and Josh's drift car. Really good Koda's patch right here. He's doing some work. What do you think? What do you think? What up? this beast over here.
I like them all, man. Honestly, I like them all. I like Koda's car. The coolest thing that I saw is he's running like our super early generation seat brackets and heel plate. So he's been supporting for a real long time. Look at that. So I'm thinking about producing a seat bracket for him, and I'm gonna call it the Koda spec.
The Koda spec.
Yeah, because he got little legs, so I'm gonna boost him up a little forward so he can reach everything comfortably. But this thing's cool. But I wanted to show you the door cards that he has on the... And I didn't even realize he had a 15 dash, but apparently it clears a 15 dash pretty well.
There's a 15 dash. They come out nice.
Yeah, this whole car.
But the speaker looks pretty cool on it. It's a clean look to it.
Yeah, this car is really, really cool.
There's a 15 dash inside. It looks so nice, the 15.
It does, and it clears the door panel like almost perfectly. A little bit.
No, like all the way.
Yeah, all the
I don't know if you guys can see it. Like perfect fitment.
Yeah.
So if you guys have a S15 dash in your 180, definitely get some Street Factory door cards.
It works. But man, look at this car.
This is like a show car. If you were to choose which one
Out of all of these?
out of all of this,
That one, the white one. The Chaser.
the Chaser.
Yeah, that thing's beautiful.
What about the Tesla?
That one's cool too.
That one's cool.
Experience. My cousin's on his way. We're about to pick this car up, bring it over to the shop so we can have some time on it and be able to do some R&D. And do a rear seat delete, some harness bars, 3D scan the whole chassis, the whole car, and see what cool stuff we can come up for it.
Nice.
Yeah.
So if any of you guys live in Cali or anywhere in the States, we're gonna be making new parts for this car, so be on the lookout. Matt is gonna work his magic.
Yeah, like all my cars. So,
You gotta eat over here.
alright, you guys.
Everybody's vlogging.
Alright, we're gonna rip this car.
So we're gonna be taking his car back to the shop. This is Matt's cousin.
Switch it up? Yeah, just switch it up. Hold the brake real quick.
Okay.
Alright man, we're done. So it's time to head back. My cousin DP's towing.
Go.
Alrighty guys, we're back at the shop. If you look over here, it made it. EOS S15 is here. We're super excited. Super thankful for Renee. He helped unload it with my cousin while we were enjoying a delicious lunch.
Delicious lunch.
So I'm really excited for this one. We're gonna be developing a lot of cool new products. It took a while for us to get our hands on an S15, but we finally have it. So we're gonna be doing pretty much our entire product line. So you can expect to see a rear seat delete, a harness bar, V1 and V2 door cards. We're gonna test our CTSV bracket conversion on the front and rear. And then the number one thing that I've been waiting for was the S15 rear bar. So that one we're gonna knock out. And then for the fun projects in the future, I wanna be able to 3D scan this entire body so that we can develop some aero goodies and whatever we plan to do with it in the future.
What's up everybody, it's your boy Renee. Check out this cool S15. Actually the very cool EOT let us borrow this bad boy, so we're actually be landing a lot more aero for us. So rear seat delete, door cards, and whatever you guys come in mind to.
And then Johnny's over there.
Dude, he keeps them clean for sure.
Ooh.
Ooh.
The wheels now, the wheels
You wanna
are
say something to the vlog?
brand new.
Steven? What up? Alright, I guess we can end the vlog here.
So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, keep following. We're going to be updating you as we progress. Thank you.
Alright, man.